Now I talk about adverse effect of antipsychotic drug. At first we discuss about what side effects seen in typical antipsychotic drug. Extrapyramidal symptoms. It is a serious neurological symptoms and major side effect of antipsychotic drug. These extrapyramidal symptoms occur due to blocked D2 receptor in the midbrain region of the brain stem. Typical antipsychotic drug causes a greater incidence of extrapyramidal symptoms than to the atypical antipsychotic drug. Extrapyramidal symptoms of, at first we talk about Parkinsonism. Parkinsonism symptoms of TRAP. T means tumor, shaking usually starting on side. R means rigidity, stiffness of the limbs and neck and trunk. And A means akinesia and P means posture or imbalance. So, it is a patient suffering with Parkinsonism. So, her face is mask-faced and he is suffering hand tumor, reduced arm swing, forward tilt of trunk, slightly flexed hip and knee, and stopped posture, back rigidity, tremor in leg, etc. And this disorder can be treated with anticholinergic such as benzoxazole, benzotropine, and antihistamines such as promethazine dihydramine. Next, acute dystonia. Dystonic movement result from a slow sustained muscular spasm that lead to involuntary movement. And this dystonia can involve the neck, jaw, tongue and entire body. It's also involvement of the eye leading to upward lateral movement of the eye known as a oculogyric crisis. And this dystonia prevented by anticholinergic, example promethazines, antihistaminic, dopamine agonist, beta-adrenergic agonist and benzodiazepine. Next, extrapyramidal symptoms is Dravet dyskinesia, and it is the delayed adverse effect of antipsychotic drug. It consists of abnormal, irregular, co-arthroid movement of the muscles of the head, limb and trunk. It characterized by chewing, sucking and grimacing and peroral movement. And it develops about 20% of patients after month and year of antipsychotic treatments. And treatment is usually unsuccessful. Next, akathisia. Akathisia is a subjective feeling of muscular discomfort that can be causes patient to be agitated, restless and feel generally dysphoric. And a patient with akathisia suffering also travel standing still and feet in constant motion. Akathisia can be treated with benzodiazepine such as clonazepams, beta blocker, example propanol and centrally acting anticholinergic. Next, neuroleptic malignant syndrome. This is a rare but serious disorder occurring in small minority of patients taking neuroleptic, especially high potency compound. Onset is often but not very well in first 10 days of treatment. The clinical features include the rapid onset of severe motor, mental and autonomic disorder. The most common symptoms are stiffness in muscle in the throat, chest may causes dysphagia and dyspnea. The mental symptoms is stupor, impaired consciousness and also present hyperpyrexia, hypertension, tachycardia, sweating, salivation and urinary incontinence. mydriasis, agitation and diaphoresis may also be present. The secondary feature may include pneumonia, thromboembolism, cardiovascular collapse and renal failure. The syndrome lasts for 1 to 2 weeks after stopping the drug. It's treated with IV dantrolene. So, this all about extrapyramidal symptoms. Next, autonomic side effects. The autonomic side effects are dry mouth, constipation, cyclopegia, mydriasis, orthostatic hypotension and impure ejaculation. Other side effects are seizure, sedation, weight gain, jaundice and dermatological effects such as photosensitive reaction. For atypical antipsychotic drug, what side effects seen in atypical antipsychotic drug? Atypical antipsychotics have lower incidence of Dravet dyskinesia and increase the risk of cardiovascular disease. And agranulocytosis is occurs especially for clonazepines. And patients also suffer hyperglycemia, diabetics and sexual side effect impair sexual performance with the main difficulties being failure to ejaculate. In female, there may be abnormal menstrual cycle and infertility. In both male and female, the breast may become enlarged and fluid sometimes oozes from the nipple.